listeners, and welcome to Green Coffee Foundations. This is a Specialty Coffee Association course, and personally, I love the Green Coffee Foundations course for a number of reasons. Now, this online course description, we're going to look at kind of a course overview from the SCA handbook and some of the resources that are available to you or that you can put together locally, and you'll be guided in those to complete the activities and exercises in this course. So, why do I say that? I love this course, but honestly, when I first started with the SCAE, I was hesitant or I was slow to purchase and join the Green Coffee course. Even though I was a coffee roaster, I just felt for some reason that Green Coffee course was going to be boring. And I was totally wrong, because when you really understand how it all starts with the green coffee, you understand how you move into your coffee roasting, how you move into sensory perception and understanding and appreciating coffee. Of course, then brewing and barista, customer service and engagement, client sales, everything is influenced by that understanding of green coffee. Jumping in from the SCA handbook, the Green Coffee Foundation course is designed to introduce the basic concepts regarding the consuming side of green coffee. So participants will learn about specialty coffee from the supply chain or the value chain, seed to cup, which includes cultivation, harvesting, processing, drying, shipping, storage, and delivery. The principles of coffee growing, processing, grading, and trade, with portfolio management even, starting to introduce some of these concepts that are built upon in intermediate and foundation courses. They'll be explored. And this course is really designed for people with little or no previous experience as a green coffee buyer. Also for those roasters and baristas, as I said in the beginning. So specifically in this course, we will explore basics of coffee botany, family, species, varieties, the global spread of coffee, where it grows, how it grows, climate requirements, physical differentiation between coffee species, global coffee production, basic statistics, where to find those, species, origins, cultivars, kind of how they differ from each other. Coffee farming, land, tenure, plant management, harvesting, drying, milling, grading, processing, washed versus natural versus pulp natural, and many of the other hybrid. Coffee futures, the coffee market, futures market, understanding some of the trade and derivatives, getting into that. Coffee storage and transportation, caffeine in coffee, and understanding decaffeination. Coffee grading, sizing, and some of the basic equipment and maintenance for quality control. Now, with every course at How to Coffee Pro, there are digital course resources here provided by links. You can also go to rock.coffee, and you can find all of the modules explained, details on the SCA requirements, exam requirements, and the PDF downloads. Things like the coffee flavor taster wheel, brewing charts, water quality analysis, and so much more. So check out those resources and bookmark them. Those are available for you and your team to use. Now, in this Green Coffee Foundations course, there are course activities. It's built around several coffee hands-on and sensory experiences. So while it's not required at the foundation level in order to pass certification, these are recommended activities and exercises that you put together now or in the future as you prepare to move into intermediate and professional courses where you will be tested in person for your practical skills. So in this course, we will look at and demonstrate those exercises with species physical differentiation. So that's green coffee and visually inspecting, species Arabica versus Robusta, sensory cupping, wash versus natural, processed coffee and cupping, specialty versus commercial grade cupping, grading, size, freshness, and quality metrics. All of those go into both roasted samples and green coffee samples. So if you can find those locally, go for it. If you'd like to purchase a course pack, there's a link right here at the Rock Coffee Lab, and I'd love to put together some of my fresh stock and some of these exciting and not so exciting, the variants between the coffees, so that you can have a course pack and follow along with the exercises. You'll need basic cupping equipment as listed here. And as always, if you have any questions, reach out. Happy to help with those. Finally, a brand new feature within the How to Coffee Pro platform at Teachable is a referral. So inside of this course and all your other courses that you purchase, you'll be able to share a link with a friend and they can get 20% off their first course, which is amazing. I wish we had had that when we first started the program, but it was just released, so I plugged it into all of the foundation level courses. You can introduce this course or any of the others, and your friend can join their first course for 20% off, which at that point gives you a 20% off coupon on your next course. So if this is your first course, green coffee, and you're looking at taking roasting, introduce a friend and you'll get that roasting course 20% off. Super easy. Again, copy, share the link, and if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm so happy that you've seen this course, and check out the other previews if you're still shopping around or considering if you should join. But we're going to jump into the course right after this video, and thanks. Keep enjoying the learning. I'll see you soon.